Hey guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at this electronic air duster. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a look at a air duster, right? I know that might not be something that is very interesting to you, but for some people that like to keep their place nice and clean, they might be wanting to look into something like this. Now, the reason why I bought this is because I got tired of purchasing these things, right? This is actually a Walmart brand, but they're basically air compressors, right? It's an air blower. It blows dust away. So I purchased this on Amazon. This is the orange version. I think it's about $25, but I've been seeing these pop up on the TikTok shop like everywhere, right? Every time I look at a video, you know, one of the ads comes out and one of these pops up. So I decided to get one myself, not through TikTok though. I bought one through Amazon because the ones on TikTok were actually a little more expensive. But anyways, pretty much, you know, again, going back, you know, I purchased this through Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description below. I believe this one was $25. But the cool part is it does come with a lot of these little attachments. And this is the brand. It's called the Keimi Compressed Air Duster Orange. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this open. I know that's what you guys want to see. Okay, so first of all, it looks like it comes with this little bag. So I'm not sure why it comes with all that, but check this out. It comes with a little... I mean, this is pretty cool that this one does come with like a bunch of little attachments that you can use. Look at that. Look at this. Again, they're just different attachments. I think, you know, if you need to get into tighter spots, you can definitely do that, especially if you're into PC building and stuff like that. Like, it even comes with a little brush if you need to, you know, clean your little area. So this is rechargeable, guys. So most of these are battery powered. Check that out, USB Type-C. Impressive. I'm already impressed already, and I haven't even actually gotten the item out. I'm just looking at all the attachments here, so check this out. Okay. So it does come with a brush head, but this one you can connect directly. Again, more brushes here. There's maybe like one more. Okay, I think that's it. So again, let's go ahead and put all these back. You know, I definitely appreciate all the attachments, but this is the main winner of the show here, which is this. So it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. You know, from the pictures, definitely check this out. It's got like stuff wrapped all around it. So let's go ahead and remove this. I guess it's to prevent it from being turned on. And here's the instruction manual. Obviously, you know, we'll look at that as we go. It says press 3 seconds, power on. Second and third press, more powerful. Fourth press, power off. So 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. Okay, so that's really not bad. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the attachment turned on. You guys heard that's actually pretty loud. And you know, I guess the smaller heads probably would be better if you're trying to get into a tighter spot, right? But so not bad. Again, the sticker says hold it for... It says charging indicator. So this says there's a little charging indicator light here also. Please use A to C cable to charge. No. So this is, I believe, has a 7,000 milliamp battery. As you can see there. Wow, I love how there's like little LEDs to kind of show you where the stuff is. But yeah, let's go ahead. This is funny, guys. But yeah, let's hold it for 2 seconds. And I'm telling you right now, just the first little one is... Okay, so I'm going to tell you right now, it does have 3 different types of speed. And I'm just kind of genuinely shocked. This is pretty cool, first of all. It has an LED light. It has a little LED light, which is cool because you kind of want to see what you're cleaning. But yeah, I'm going to probably take this out somewhere, like in my truck, and I'm going to dust some of the stuff inside just to kind of show you guys. But this is actually pretty cool, 7,000 milliamp battery. I don't know how long this would actually last on a full charge. It says press the power button 3 seconds to turn on the product. For more details, please refer to the user manual. So it's pretty straightforward. And 7,000 milliamp battery, that's like two mid-range cell phones if you guys think about it, but really not that bad. I mean, that's pretty good for 25 bucks. And now I'll never have to buy one of these again. This is actually going to the trash. Literally, going to the trash can. And again, I guess I do like the fact that, you know, the parts are interchangeable, which they're not hard to take on and off, right? You know, you can put a smaller one on if you want to, you know, get a tighter air squeeze, right? I just think that's pretty interesting though, guys. Like, this one is just kind of a weird one. I don't know. I don't know if this is an extender, maybe. Could be an extender, possible. Nope, not really. I don't know what that one's for exactly. This one is kind of weird though, because it does have like the spout like facing in different directions, so that like the air is going to come out this way rather than just straight. So very interesting on that. And again, I think this one probably I'll use a lot also, because I do like to dust while I'm, you know, air blowing as well, which is that head extension. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get this demonstrated for you. Okay, guys, so the best place that I thought about testing this was outside, obviously, because you know, I'm outside. There's a lot of leaves and debris around, so I'm gonna start off with the floor, and then I'm gonna spray some of the stuff off my truck, because I do have stuff all over my truck right now. So let's get this going. So again, little compressed air duster here. Let's see. Let's just see how strong this is. Okay, that's level 1. I mean, it's blowing. Pretty cool. Okay, so now you guys can maybe see like all the little debris here on my truck here. I'm gonna just these might need a car wash actually, but as you can see here, blowing all the leaves off at least. So for the most part, it's doing its job. So really not bad. I wanted to check the inside of my truck actually though, because my truck actually has like it has a lot of dust in the center console, guys. So I don't know if you guys can see the dust right there, but let's try this again. Oh yeah, it's working. I mean, the truck does need a vacuum actually, but you can see here that it's kind of blowing all the nasty dirt out at least. And okay, so I don't know if you guys can see all the dust particles flying around. I certainly can, but this thing does work, guys. So first of all, shout out to I guess well, myself for buying this, because I am actually going to use this. But anywho, guys, I wanted to post a quick video on this, and definitely we'll post a link up in the description below. Definitely very usable for someone that likes to, you know, have a nice little tight area, you know, cleaned up as far as their room goes, as far as their computer PC components and whatnot. And you know, definitely I'm going to use this. So again, shout out to myself for ordering this. I'll post a link in the description down below so you guys can check that out. Thanks again for watching. Smash the like button. We'll see you guys next time.